So another example of empirical evidence, I think, in favor of God being the creator is that of order. So we live in a universe that's ordered. In
I
fact,
would I would disagree. I think the opposite, where the universe is very chaotic, and I mean we are in a constant state of flux. We do it is constantly chaotic.
I would agree with you that there is chaos in the universe,
Mm.
but I must insist that there's also a great deal of order.
Good order.
So, for example, let's just look at Earth.
Mm.
Okay, here we have this beautiful planet,
Mm.
and we have air.
Mm.
We have a sun that's within a distance that
That
is needed for life.
that didn't always exist.
Say again.
That did not always exist. It wasn't as we have it now.
Well, yes, and so that raises the question, begs the question: well, where did Earth and the sun and the stars come from? And according to the Bible has its view is that God created it.
Great, yeah, yeah, that's correct. Yes, I mean the guy, yeah, yeah.
But so there's the finely tuned universe argument,
Mm.
in that there are so many factors for life to exist. Whether it's the atmosphere, whether it's the sun, the fact that we have it's the right kind of sun, it's the distance,
The distance,
it's
yeah. All of those, yeah.
how about the fact that we have liquid water, H2O in a liquid form.
And in my opinion, all of those things came by chance. Where it was a chance in time where we were able to the Earth was to develop at this distance only through chance. There's really no design to it in that regard, and in my opinion, right?
Are you familiar with Stephen Hawking?
I am, yes.
Okay, so even Stephen Hawking said that the universe is so finely tuned that it appears to have been specifically put together because he was an atheist, so then he came up with this idea of a multiverse. In fact, why even have a multiverse unless there was this fine-tuning problem?
It would be make sense to us humans that if this is very like a very part of chance, that there'd be other instances in which this wouldn't occur, or it would occur in a different form, where, for example, you know even in the conversation that we're having, so say we do happen to develop into a different life form, and that life form may believe in something wildly different than what we believe in, at least in the creationist sense. And it happens with the humans too. I mean, we are aware that. I mean, I'm sure you are aware that there are other creation stories outside of Christianity.
Very true, yes. I find it interesting that Stephen Hawking doesn't just simply believe in a multiverse, but he believes, before he died, he believes that the number of universes out there are infinite. Do you know why? Why would he take that extreme position?
I think it. I don't know the mathematics, to be honest, but I feel like the mathematics would just. I mean, we were of the idea that this is an infinite universe. It would also make sense somehow or another that there be multiple other universes, so that yeah. I don't know. Yeah.
I believe the reason he postulates an infinite number of universes is because our universe is so finely tuned for life that you have to have an infinite number of universes in order to make the mathematics work out so that this universe is possible. It is such a stretch, but as a materialist, as an atheist, that is the position that he takes, and many other atheists would take. But it really does not add up. As I pointed out, you can look at design. The fact that human design exists indicates that there's a possibility that we ourselves were designed. But if you go to the university biology classroom and they're talking about origin of life, the possibility of God design is not brought up. It is, I don't believe it's considered, and if a student brings it up, it's likely shot down pretty quickly. So anyway, it's been fun to talk with you about this.
Yeah, thank you.
I have an article I'd love to share with you, and just kind of, maybe we can talk further.
More? Yeah, that would be amazing. Sure.
Great.
Thank you.
Okay.
What was your name, I'm sorry?
My name is Jim.
Jim.